In April 2018, nearly 40 artists from the Southern California Plein Air Painters Association spent a spring morning painting the landscape of the Upper Chiquita Canyon Conservation Area. In French, plein air means open air or outside. Many believe painting outdoors allows the artist to better represent the true colors, natural light, form of shapes, and the feel of a scene. A pristine outdoor setting that is rarely open to the public, the picturesque Upper Chiquita Canyon is a painter's delight located in the inland foothills of Orange County, California. The transportation corridor agencies restored the habitat in association with building the 241 toll road to support important populations of coastal California gnatcatchers and coastal cactus wrens. It also provides valuable connectivity for wildlife movement. For more than 25 years, the agencies have been committed to balancing construction and operations of the toll roads with the preservation of open space and wildlife habitat in Orange County, California.